Welcome back. Continuing the news. On to the East Portland by-election, where the People's National Party's candidate Damien Crawford continues to defend statements which he says have been construed as classist and sexist. Mr. Crawford was in Prospect, Portland this weekend, where he also defended his plans for the constituency.
For the PNP representatives who spoke on Sunday, the race is between their candidate, an experienced MP who is able to represent himself on any platform.
And you have a choice between somebody else, where they will make talk. And I really ask myself, how you're going to represent people and you cannot talk for them.
While some may say it's the same rhetoric that sparked controversy last week, Damien Crawford says his words were misunderstood.
And me I said to them, say me now, say me better than nobody, but me know say nobody no better than me. I now say I hate for your color. I say I love mine. What is wrong with that?
He insists that his background and experience make him better able to function and deliver as a good MP.
A good MP is supposed to motivate the people around them so that they want to do better for themselves and that they are going to now go in and put in effort to do better. She has not done that, so Mr. She can't be the MP. That is no disrespect.
Mr. Crawford also blamed the media for exacerbating the issue, as he says even his plans to enable teachers to help students better their education have been misconstrued.
We are saying then when school done, we are going to pay the teacher them a little extra. We say stay and create an environment for study so that they have the homework center after school. So between 2:30 and 4:30, the youth have an environment for study. What is wrong with that? What is the negative? There is no negative, and the news take it and turn it and spin it. The labor rights said they don't want it.
As for his plan to give goats to students seeking help,
they have been here for 16 years and they cannot give one plan. And we come with a full plan and they're ridiculing the plan that a youth who can't afford him school book, we should not give him a goat. We should give him something we make every year him have to come back to us. And we disrespect them by make them sit down outside and wait until we're ready to say, come in now for $2,000.
The party has also blasted the government, suggesting that the sudden onset of roadworks in the constituency is an indication of deliberate victimization because of politics.
That they must be able to win the seat by saying nothing here. And as soon as demanded. Why all along? All the road we are fixed now, why all along? All the run up and down, we are run up and down, why all along?